Welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be making a circle cutting jig for my trim router. It's going to be a really quick and easy project. Going to be using scrap wood for this. Didn't want to overcomplicate it, keep it simple. Anyone can do this. Need it for a couple of projects that are coming up. Hopefully somebody out there will find it useful. Otherwise, enjoy, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks. I'm using 1/4 inch scrap plywood for this jig. I'm doubling up the end of the jig to attach the router because the screws for the router are longer than 1/4 inch. Please like and comment, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel.